Welcome to Capital Luxury, your premier destination for all things opulent and exquisite. Here, we delve into the world of luxury living, exploring the finest in fashion, travel, lifestyle, and more. Navigating the 2023 to 2024 watch market proves to be a roller coaster ride, marked by unprecedented volatility. The once soaring watch prices of 2022 are now hurtling downward at an astonishing pace, reminiscent of the rapid descent of prices that initially soared. A convergence of external forces, including inflation, global market confidence shifts, and internal factors like gray market investors and deliberate supply constraints, has created a perfect storm that threatens to crash the watch market in 2023 to 2024. While on the surface this might seem like a calamity, one must ponder who bears the brunt of this situation. Those who fueled the bubble may find themselves at the receiving end, potentially being ejected from the market. In contrast, astute watch collectors, who exercised patience over the last 3-4 years, now find themselves in an advantageous position. They can make judicious purchases of watches, such as Rolex, from authorized dealers, or opt for pre-owned timepieces at reasonable prices. History appears to be repeating itself, echoing the dynamics of the 2008 housing crisis. The watch market's ascent, akin to its housing counterpart, continued unabated, with many assuming perpetual growth. However, as always, an eventual correction looms, and in an unstable market, crashes become an imminent risk. During the zenith of the 2022 watch market craze, stainless steel Rolex watches commanded 3 times their manufacturer's suggested retail price, MSRP, while stainless steel Patek Philippe Nautilus models fetched prices ranging from 5x to 30x MSRP. The article explores the forces shaping the decline of the 2023 to 2024 watch market, shedding light on both external and internal factors influencing this downturn. External forces impacting the 2023 to 2024 watch market. Stock market. The fluctuation in a person's financial portfolio significantly influences decisions regarding significant expenditures. A sharp decline in global portfolio values clarifies the decision-making process when contemplating luxury watch purchases. In the author's view, the stock market stands as the most significant external force affecting the watch market. Inflation. As inflation spirals out of control, the purchasing power of individuals diminishes, creating a clearer distinction between wants and needs. Inflated prices, partly attributable to inflation, have reached levels where the free market responds by diminishing demand within the watch industry. Government restrictions. Travel restrictions imposed during the recent pandemic led to a surplus of funds as vacations were put on hold. The luxury goods market witnessed an influx of these funds. However, with the removal of government restrictions, people are resuming travel, diverting attention and funds away from the wristwatch market. Monetary relief programs. The infusion of funds through monetary relief programs, while beneficial for those in need, contributed to inflation and increased demand across various sectors, including watches. Internal forces contributing to the 2023 to 2024 watch market decline. Outside investors. External investors drawn to the rising luxury goods market during the pandemic are now grappling with the repercussions of their success. Many may have over-leveraged, necessitating the liquidation of inventory to meet obligations or minimize losses. Choking supply. Various sellers, from outside investors to legacy jewelry stores, deliberately restricted the supply of popular watches to drive up demand and prices. As prices fall, dealers are now opening up the supply, leading to a surge in inventory. Wise money. Buyers are showing signs of increased prudence, resisting overpayments, and avoiding games played by the pre-owned market or authorized dealers. Buyer restraint has the potential to exert downward pressure on prices. The question arises, is the impending crash of the 2023 to 2024 watch market a positive development? At the peak of the 2022 watch market, conditions were unsustainable, with collecting transforming into investing and prices spiraling out of control. Many watch enthusiasts express a preference for a market where they can acquire desired watches without waitlists, inflated prices, or the need to purchase additional watches. The experience is anticipated to prompt brands to better understand product demand and potentially justify production expansion. In the realm of second-hand luxury watches, prices are plummeting at an alarming rate, echoing the eerie whistle of World War II bombs descending from the sky. The question arises, is this a negative turn of events, or does it present a golden opportunity for buyers to fortify their wrist real estate with newfound treasures? Let's delve into the data to uncover the story behind the crashing prices in the luxury watch market. The overall market index from watcharts.com serves as our guide, depicting the average market price of 60 watches selected from the top 10 luxury watch brands with the highest transaction values over the past 6 months. The index reveals that the pre-owned luxury watch market reached its zenith in April 22, just before the unfolding of the data tracked by watch charts. However, what the initial chart doesn't convey is the impact of smartwatches, which are annihilating the lower echelons of the mechanical and quartz watch market. Prices for pre-owned watches in this segment have nosedived beyond the scope of watch charts' selected basket of timepieces. Amidst the downward spiral, there seems to be a glimmer of stabilization in the high-end luxury watch market. Pre-owned prices for sought-after pieces are inching closer to full retail, particularly in the sub-$5K range. For instance, a second-hand Tudor Pelagos 25707B is now trading at $4,200, just above its retail price of $3,900. The Patek Philippe Nautilus 598/0/1A takes the spotlight as the biggest loser, experiencing a staggering 29.3% drop. Despite remaining expensive at $117,202, it's now deemed a relative bargain. Meanwhile, the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak 15400 witnessed a 28.3% decline, attainable for a mere $40,993. Although pre-owned Rolex values haven't plummeted as dramatically, the Panda-faced Cosmograph Daytona 116,500 lost 24.8%, settling at $30,756, a level last seen in 2019, marking a significant depreciation from its peak. The broader market trend reveals a downturn for renowned timepieces, including the Patek Philippe White Gold Aquanaut, Vacheron Constantin Overseas Blue Dial Stainless Steel, and Omega Speedmaster Moonwatch. Breitling Navitimer and IWC Portugueser Perpetual Calendar Single Moon defy the trend, showing resilience with a 5.2% increase and a marginal uptick, respectively. However, amidst the gloom, A. Lange & Söhne stands out as the beacon of optimism. Renowned for stunning designs and unparalleled German build quality, A. Lange & Söhne watches experienced a remarkable surge. The pre-loved AL and S Zeitwerk surged by 14.1% to $77,132, with the Zeitwerk White Gold Datograph witnessing a 5.5% increase, priced at around $87,345. Frequently asked questions. Will watch prices continue to fall? Watch prices are expected to decline in 2023 to 2024 due to economic conditions and the pressure on dealers to reduce inventory. Will the gray market go away? While the gray market is unlikely to disappear, changes in behavior, such as more honest pricing and inventory control, are expected. How soon until we see Rolex in cases at ADs? It is predicted that by late 2023, Rolex watches will become more available in cases at authorized dealers, as Rolex optimizes production and outside investors seek alternative investments. Is now the best time to sell a watch? For those who bought watches as investments, selling now may be advisable as prices on hot models are expected to decrease. Those who purchased watches for enjoyment should decide when it's the right time to sell. As we wrap up this exploration into the lap of luxury, we hope you enjoyed the decadent ride through the world of capital luxury. If you crave more exclusivity and refinement, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our upcoming content. Thank you for joining us on this opulent journey. And until next time, live your life in style with capital luxury.